Hello everyone! Welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video, we learned about operating systems. Today, we are going to learn something very practical and very useful: how to install Windows on a computer. Many people think installing Windows is very difficult, but trust me, it is actually very simple if you follow the steps correctly. Let's get started. What do you need before starting? Before we install Windows, there are a few things you need to have ready. First, you need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB storage. Second, you need a working internet connection to download Windows. Third, you need a computer or laptop on which you want to install Windows. That is all you need. Step 1. Download Windows from Microsoft. The first step is to download Windows from the official Microsoft website. Open Google on any working computer and search for Microsoft Windows 11 download. Go to the official Microsoft website at microsoft.com. On the website, you will find a tool called the Windows 11 Installation Assistant or Media Creation Tool. Click the Download Now button to download this tool. This tool is completely free and official. Always download Windows from Microsoft's official website only, and never from any other website. Simple example: downloading Windows from Microsoft's official website is like buying medicine from a proper pharmacy. Always go to the original source to make sure you get the real and safe version. Step 2. Create a bootable USB using Rufus. After downloading, you need to create a bootable USB drive. A bootable USB is a USB drive that contains Windows installation files and can start your computer directly from it. To create a bootable USB, download a free software called Rufus from rufus.ie. This is the official Rufus website. Insert your 8 GB or larger USB drive into your computer. Open Rufus software. In Rufus, click the Select button and choose the Windows ISO file you downloaded. Make sure the partition scheme is set to GPT for modern computers. Then click the Start button. Rufus will take about 10 to 15 minutes to create your bootable USB. When it is done, it will show Ready at the bottom. Simple example: creating a bootable USB is like copying a recipe book onto a card, so you can take it to any kitchen and cook from it. The USB becomes a portable Windows installer you can use on any computer. Step 3. Enter BIOS and change boot order. Now you need to tell your computer to start from the USB drive instead of the hard disk. To do this, you need to enter BIOS. Restart your computer, and as soon as it starts, press the BIOS key repeatedly. The BIOS key is different for different computers. For most computers, it is the delete key or F2 key. For HP laptops, it is F10. For Lenovo laptops, it is F1 or F2. For Dell laptops, it is F2. The screen will show you which key to press. It usually says press F2 to enter setup or press delete for BIOS. When BIOS opens, look for boot order or boot priority settings. Change the first boot device from hard disk to USB drive. Save the settings by pressing F10 and then press enter to confirm. Your computer will restart, and this time it will boot from your USB drive. Simple example: changing the boot order in BIOS is like telling the computer which door to open first when it starts. Normally, it opens the hard disk door. We are telling it to open the USB door first instead. Step 4. Windows installation begins. When your computer restarts from the USB drive, the Windows installation screen will appear. You will see a blue screen with the Windows logo. Follow these steps carefully. First, a language selection screen will appear. Select your language as English, time format, and keyboard layout. Then click Next. On the next screen, click Install Now. Then a screen will ask for a product key. If you have a paid Windows key, enter it here. If you do not have one, click I don't have a product key, and you can activate Windows later. Then select the version of Windows you want to install. Choose Windows 11 Home for personal use, or Windows 11 Pro for advanced users. Click Next. Accept the license agreement by checking the box, and click Next. Step 5. Choose installation type. Now, a very important screen will appear, asking what type of installation you want. You will see two options. The first option is Upgrade. This keeps your files and installs Windows on top of the existing one. The second option is Custom Install. This does a fresh, clean installation of Windows. Always choose Custom Install for a fresh and clean installation. This gives you a brand new Windows with no old files or problems. Step 6. Partition and Formatting. After choosing Custom Install, you will see a list of drives and partitions on your computer. This is where Windows will be installed. If you are installing on a brand new hard disk or SSD, you will see Unallocated Space. Click on it and then click New to create a partition. Then click Apply. Windows will automatically create the necessary partitions. Then click Next and Windows installation will begin automatically. If you are reinstalling Windows on an existing partition, select the partition where Windows was previously installed. Usually it is called Drive 0 Partition 2. Click on it and then click Format to erase the old Windows. Then click Next. Simple example. Formatting a partition before installing is like cleaning a whiteboard completely before writing new notes on it. You remove everything old to start fresh. Step 7. Windows installs automatically. After clicking Next, Windows will start installing automatically. You will see a progress screen showing copying files, installing features, installing updates, and finishing up. Your computer will restart 2 to 3 times during this process. This is completely normal. Do not press any key or turn off the computer during this time. The whole process takes about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your computer speed. Simple example. This step is like cooking food in a microwave. You press Start and let it do its job automatically. Do not open the door in between. Step 8. Windows setup after installation. After installation is complete, Windows will ask you to set up a few things. First, select your country or region. Select Pakistan or your country. Then select your keyboard layout. Then connect to your Wi-Fi network if available. Then create a user account. Enter your name and set a password if you want one. Then choose your privacy settings. After all this, Windows will finish setting up and take you to the desktop. Step 9. After installation. What to do next? After Windows is installed, there are a few important things to do. First, go to Windows Update and install all available updates. Second, install your drivers, especially graphics driver, audio driver, and network driver. You can find drivers on your laptop manufacturer's website or use a tool called Driver Booster to install all drivers automatically. Third, install your essential software like Google Chrome, MS Office, and antivirus. Fourth, activate Windows if you have a product key by going to Settings, then Update and Security, then Activation. Important tips. Always back up your important files before installing Windows, because formatting will delete everything on that partition. Always download Windows from Microsoft's official website only. Make sure your laptop is plugged into power during installation. Never let the battery die during Windows installation. If your computer does not boot from USB, make sure Secure Boot is disabled in BIOS settings. In the end, so now you know exactly how to install Windows on any computer step by step. It is not difficult at all when you follow each step carefully. In our next video, we will learn about how to format a computer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.